Hello, welcome to one more video. Now we are in Visoko Hlapčevići. For sale one house with the animal house, two construction permissions. This is access. You see asphalt access. These are neighborhoods. You see, and now you will see the house and animal house. And subscribe for more videos, more informations. This house around have 8,000 square meter. You see this fence border down to that trees, small trees, this, and going like this. You see this bush, there is border. You see the house, there is garage place and 2 floors. This is animal house for cows or sheep or something like that, or you can change it for something else. Now you will see inside of the house. You see toilet, one room, and the kitchen with the living room. Now you will see it. This is bathroom, like you can see, one bathroom. This is bedroom. Nobody is not is living here, so like you can see. And this is kitchen. With the living room. Like you can see, here is the living room. Really nice. Now you will see the area around. These are neighborhoods. And this is the view from the house. Really nice place. This down all is border of land. You see this bush, you see the fence, and until that bush there, bush to there, and more there. Now you will see it. You'll get outside. 8,000 square meter. Let's see more outside. You see, these are neighbors from up, and now we are going on one second floor. So these are 2 apartments separated. You see here is one access. You see, this is one room, access room. So this is second room. Like you can see, everything clean and nice. You see here, this is small kitchen, like one small apartment. And this is toilet here on this floor. Now there is one more. This is some storage house, storage place, like you can see. And this is the land, animal house and land, like you can see. This fence, you see bush like this going up and going there. So it is 8,000 square meter. 8,000 square meter land for sale, with one house, one animal house, and one additional construction permission. Here you see this small object. There is also construction permission. This is land. Really nice. Really good land. Like you can see. All this land with this house. These are neighborhoods. Like you can see, there is the city. This is amazing view around, like you can see. Really nice area. Subscribe for more information. You have my number in video, in description. This is house, animal house. See you in one next video. Thank you very much.